your editing skills have come a long way.
Hey, it's Karen with Those Vending Machines, and I was just thinking to myself, how crazy is it that 10 years ago I was living in Iwakuni, Japan, and I was looking through my stuff for a Throwback Friday, and I found all of these pictures of vending machines, vintage items that I got from thrift stores in the little town that I lived in. I found different pictures of us using it. I even found video that Barley took for a homeschool project when we lived there, and I wanted to share it all with you. So if you want to see these pictures, relive these stories, keep watching. You're guaranteed to see something cool, like this house made completely out of beer cans.
There's a lot of filters on this. And it keeps showing the 3-second loop of the world news thing like it's breaking news.
Dun 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 dun. Welcome to our first broadcast of the Barley's House Front News Network. I'm Barley Santana. Here are your top stories. We will take a tour of the neighborhood today at 6 p.m. Stay tuned.
They're just moving in your face.
I'm just walking around like I own the place. I'm walking
literally through their stuff.
What is that? What am I holding?
A vacuum attachment attached to a slipper
And that
that
was
you
my
thought was your,
microphone.
you made it your microphone.
I remember that. It was my microphone.
So I got this pre-edited software from like a homeschool place, and that's why it's so bad. It was supposed to be like a news segment, but they sent it to you for free. That was the best I could do at the
That
time.
was a cute kid though. I've been in the vending machine business longer than anyone else in the game.
What's your favorite drink in the Japanese vending machine?
Hey, if you're still watching and you're still interested, take a minute to hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us. Thanks. Boom. And then all of a sudden I had to go to Okinawa, Japan, because they told me that my husband had an appendicitis. Then within 24 hours, they told me that he didn't have an appendicitis, he had cancer. So I lived in Japan for a couple of months, and all we did was go to doctor's appointments and explore the city. And this was like a masturbation egg that we found just in a little gachupan vending capsule machine that they were selling next to some stuff in a gas station. Here you can see the machine. It was 500 yen, and it was next to all the hentai here at the gas station, which is just like out there, right? And then here we are at like the next place over, and it has all these gag gifts and like cucumber masturbators. It was crazy. So if you want to see more videos like this, keep watching, subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support. Thank you so much.